Hey puppies! Okay, this is almost at 7 weeks, and they know how to do the steps and get onto the grass. It's a little cold today, actually. It's only in the 50s. Before it's been in the 70s. Oh, there they go. Yay, mama. There we go.
Oh, ups. Amy.
Here comes Amy. Mama wants to play with the puppies. Whoa. You like this. You like the wind. There they go. Over to Nevin. Oh, Mom playing with Beth. It's pretty chilly. They are romping. She says, please, I want to play. I want to play. There's Amy. Here's Mom and Meg. Go play, go play. Oh. Mom and Amy and Teddy. Fun day outside. Fun day outside. Here we go. Oh. Who wants to play? It was like, yes, we get to play. We get to play. There you go.